Sometimes you need a break.
Yeah,
So I
but
was telling her to have fun.
actually, I would say it's more like 24/7. But the real creativity comes when doing. I think that is what PhD teaches you. You know how you can be efficient
Yeah.
in doing as much as work. Because there is no limit in how much demanding the work can be in your research. It depends on person to like on different research what you're doing exactly. But I really think that is what PhD teaches you to how you can manage your work more efficiently while also having a balance, with your work as well as life. I'm still getting there.
How do you, since you told me that you are trying to balance, so how are you getting there? Like, what are your,
Yeah,
tips for those people?
yeah. So I think I was very excited about the research which I am also doing. But, in the past, if I see myself, I would work anytime weird perception that I'm doing research. It's my career. The more I work, the more it gets better, and I can find the solutions faster and be on time. But I realize that that's not how it works. It is important to also live, and of course, work is important, but life is also as important
As work.
and now I try my best to not work at all on weekends, Saturdays and Sundays. Even if I have a lot of stuff to do, I try to finish it by Friday so that on Saturday I do all the cleanings and
Extra stuff.
extra household stuff.
Cooking.
Yeah, cooking.
Maybe going to
yes.
the supermarket,
Yes.
buying some food for yourself.
Yes, and Sunday I try to relax, talk to everyone in my family back home, and try to also by meeting friends, going to restaurants, or inviting them at home for dinner or lunch, having a nice time. But then from Monday to as much as before, but it's definitely more efficient. But it will. I have to admit that I still am learning, and I still feel it. With time it will get more better.
And if there is somebody out there who is planning to do a PhD, but he or she is confused if this is the right thing for him or her, based on your personal experience, what kind of tips would you like to give them if they say they want to go for this PhD, but they are not very confident about it? Tell me your views on that.
Yeah. So, talking about the first point that you said, whether a person should do a PhD or not, I think there are many factors that the person has to consider. Firstly, to be sure in what field they are interested in, I would recommend to have some experience before getting into starting a PhD. So if you have a little bit of research experience and you know that okay, this is the research area that you are interested in, I think that is a very good step to be sure. And secondly, if the others, there could be other factors also, because sometimes if you consider the situation in India, getting a PhD in a full paid position is not that easy, and also you have to take care of your living costs, and sometimes also the financial cost for the family, so it gets a bit difficult with the research funding.
Right.
So I think that is also a very that also is very personal. Like for instance, research from the beginning, but for me my financial independence was also important. So when I was living in India, after my masters, I worked as a lecturer in a coaching institute, and I really love teaching, but I also love research. But for the moment, it was also important for me to be financially more independent, that which I think was not possible at the moment to start do research with that free mind. and I think it was a great decision in my case. But for someone else, if you are okay with, you know, if you don't have a lot of financial pressure and can manage to, you know, be free from that part, it is also good. It's nice that you can start your research.
Thank you so much. I mean, you have given us a very good overview about if somebody is confused, if PhD is right for him or her, then I'm sure this would definitely help them. Thank you so much, Roshni.
Yeah,
it was
always.
very cool
Yeah,
talking to
always.
you.
I mean, I'm always there.
So sweet of you. Very good friend of mine.
Yeah, she's really nice.
We vibe so well,
Yeah,
so fast, and
really.
she's very cool person, and she's very independent woman. मैं comparing नहीं कर रहे थे कि guys. I'm not making fun, but really because the way she live her life. I'm not saying all Indian women are dependent, but it's not very common for me to see Indian woman who is independent. And as soon as I saw her lifestyle, the way she's very confident about herself, the way she lives her life. I think she's also a very motivating lady where people should be aware of her, you know, because she's doing a great job. I mean, like, really, guys, words are not enough to express how smart and confident she is with the work that she's doing right now, with her research. मैं कर दूंगी बेटा.
ये नहीं बोलना.